Yeah, now I have an idea how to do it, but it was
Annoying.
annoying is the right word. All right, so today we have to replace an alternator on the Toolcat. We've been charging the battery every time we come up here, and it just can't hold a charge. It'll work for half hour or so, and then the battery will die while it's running. So I replaced the batteries right after I bought the machine. So it's brand new batteries, and for all I can figure, it's the alternator. So I have an alternator. We'll see if I can get this replaced and see if it makes a difference. Okay. All right, now I have to take these hoses off because the alternator sits right here. So I'm disconnecting all the cables from the battery right here. The battery's pretty well dead right now, so I'm not worried about anything. So there's a battery cable and a plug here. So I can get the clip out. So this is, I don't know if you can see up down here, there's a rubber cover on top of the bolt here that I have to get off, and that connects the rest of these wires in. Give you an idea, by comparison, here's the new one, and that's the bolt that's covered. I have to get off so I can get the new, so I can connect the wires. And right now I'm trying to also get this plug out of the old one, so I'll be messing with this for a while.
Dad, you said you had a spare one.
Spare what?
Spare radiator.
No, a spare alternator?
Alternator.
Yeah, this is a spare.
Oh. Where's the...
Right here. So I'm taking out. Or attempting to take out if I can have any sort of a success here. So you have to pinch this clamp. Pull. Okay, let's see if I can explain this. Right here, you have to pinch this right there. Push that in as you pull so it releases from inside. So now I only have one major bolt that's holding it in. Let's see if I can get to it and get the rest of this out.
Let's hope this works.
I take that back. Let me show you one other thing. So over here, this is what adjusts the belt for tension. I have to loosen this as well. So you have this bolt here, and you have one way down here that goes all the way through. So those are the two that I have left.
Dad, what's our approved support? This thing?
There is none. Don't do it this way, it's not safe. You guys can't see it, but I'm constantly trying not to hit my head. And I'm staying away from hydraulics because it's being held up by the hydraulic pistons. And it's not exactly safe, but it has been sitting up in the up position for 2 weeks now. So it's not moving anywhere as long as I don't touch any hydraulics.
Now I don't want my head under this thing.
Then don't put it under. I don't blame you.
Could I help with that?
Sure, come here. This one's almost out. I'm gonna need your help over here though. Okay, so here's the deal. There's a couple bolts that are way down there.
And you can't get to them?
Nope. Not at all. So I got.
Do you know which size?
Not yet. Working on it. Okay, let me see if I can get this on, and then I need you to hold it.
Hold what?
This so it doesn't move. This is absolutely filthy dirty. Come to my other side here.
Isn't filthy and dirty the same thing?
Well, that just makes it doubly dirty.
Doubly dirty?
Doubly dirty.
You really just said doubly dirty.
Yes. It's dirty twice. Oh no, this one's dirty like 10 times. It's crazy. Okay. I can't even reach my hands down here. Okay, come here. Maybe you can help. Mr. I have small hands. Watch out for the bolts. I'll move them to the side here. Okay, so this, see this bolt right down there?
Yeah.
That's got to go on it and slip on it.
Okay. Hey, this radiator cord.
It's a, it's an alternator bolt. Not a radiator cord.
I just can't speak. I'm like holding it up now to try and keep it from not moving.
Ha! Got it.
You did it?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and move.
Hang
Hold
on.
that pin. Oh.
Hang on. And freed.
The only place for this to go is up. One sec. I gotta see if I can get this out first. Because all these wires are in the way. Don't want that to touch metal.
You don't want what to touch metal.
The battery cable. Well, the problem is there's a hose down here. It's floppy, so but it's holding this bolt in. There we go. So I'd pull this and move a hose that it was coming into so I could get this out. So there we go.
Now
That's this
what?
piece. Now I unhook the alternator belt. There we go. And now I should theoretically be able to remove it.
Sorry.
Okay.
Now you need to get that out.
Yes. I think what I need to move is the dipstick. That's the thing that's in the way.
What's the dipstick do?
It's how you check your oil. So, but there's a bolt holding the top part of the dipstick here. So let me undo that really quick. Uh-huh. Okay, I think it's loose enough that I can just take it off now. Steer.
Okay.
All that. I spent about 45 minutes trying to see if I could get the alternator to come out without removing the radiator hoses. I tried to see if it could drop out the bottom, squeeze through some of the pipes at the top, but everything I tried was fruitless, and eventually I gave in and realized that I had to take the radiator hoses off to get the alternator out.
Okay.
Okay, ready? See what happens. Need your arms. Hold it up like this and out.
That's green.
Yes, it is.
That's weird. Why is it green? Looks like alien juice.
That's what color it is. Okay, didn't work. Okay. You okay? Okay,
You just pinched me.
I'm sorry. I have one more idea that it probably will work. So this here, I don't know if it's welded, but I don't believe it is. I'm gonna take this off, and that way I have more room and I can take it out this way. All you get to say is, why is it green? Didn't realize I was going to have to go through the coolant hose to do this, so I have some. It's not quite the right stuff. but if I have to, I'll do it. Okay. I think this is gonna work this time. So it goes on and off easy. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Up. Come on.
Come on, please work. Yes! Thank goodness!
Okay, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
Ow! Ow!
Sorry, the pinch your fingers. I got it.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Okay, let go, let go, let go. Come on! Ah, here we go.
Yes! It looks
No
so out of place.
more leaking. Oh man. Sorry about that.
I mean, it was kind of both of our fault.
I know. I at that point I think I just needed you to let go, and I just didn't get you to let go in time. Because at that point your hands were probably more in the way than they were helpful, huh?
Yeah.
All right, that was ridiculous. Disaster. Okay. Next, put this back in.
Jacket on. And hope all goes well.
Okay, got that. Let's take this piece out for now. Otherwise it's not gonna fit. Put it right here. This piece is the next. Well, this isn't the right size, like the spacing. Even though I bought the right size, doesn't seem to matter. Let's go. This ability to do that. Some washers might do it. See if we can find some washers. I think I actually have washers. All right. I know this isn't the best, so let me explain what's going on. So this piece here, the one I just took out, has this spacer here that adds some space. The other one is missing that piece. I happen to have washers from the sawmill, so I'm gonna add a couple of them in just to make it tight. I'll add 2 or 3, see what fits, just to make it a little better than it is.
Just hope that this works.
Okay, I think that isn't perfectly tight, but it's way better than it was. I could try and get another one in, but I think this is gonna do as is. Yeah, I can't get another one in. It's not enough space.
Dirty.
Yes it is. Okay, we're gonna stop there. We'll have to put the belt on now, and then we'll take it the rest of the way. No. Bring it down.
I don't know. Just make it back home.
No. I gotta stop throwing stuff.
Let's have the annoyingness commence. Continue. Whatever, I don't care. I don't have it on yet.
Ready?
No.
Good?
No.
How about now?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
How about now?
No.
It's nice and tight. Okay, good.
Oh, what? Did you just drop it?
Yeah. Okay, I can't reach that. There we go. There we go. That was good. Before I get too far, I gotta remember to put attach the dipstick. Good. Okay, now let's get all these in.
Does that help at all?
Oh, I'm good for now.
Oh.
Just for if and when it gets dark. I know. Ooh, I gotta be careful.
Whoa.
Can't hit.
That almost like hit your eye.
Can't hit metal because that's the battery connection. Once I get this started, you can get the rest of the way in.
I can get the what in?
Get this the rest of the way in. I just have to get started for you. Okay, I think I'll do it. Okay, now try it. Can't quite do it?
No, I can't.
Okay, give me a try. Got it. Okay. My coolant is really low. Forgot. Okay, that'll do. Pull that out. Ooh!
We are dirty!
I was gonna say done, but dirty's also true. All right. So we've charged the battery and everything seems to be working well. We ran around for about 10 minutes. No battery lights coming on like it would have in the past. And yeah, I think everything is working pretty well. So a lot bigger pain than I thought it would be. And I definitely need to come back with some more coolant. I'm really low, but it didn't overheat in the 10-15 minutes that I was using it. But I do know that I'm short on coolant right now. I have some with me, but it's not the right stuff. It's thin. It's just not made for this vehicle. So yeah, as opposed to put the wrong stuff in, I'm gonna make sure I go get the right stuff and bring it back next time I'm here. So I'm officially covered in oil now, but I think we got everything figured out. Definitely took a lot more than I thought it would. I looked for other videos of how to do this online and I could not find one for the Toolcat. So yeah, now I have an idea how to do it, but it was
Annoying.
annoying is the right word. Yeah.
Very annoying.
So definitely be prepared to replace your coolant and have a way to capture it. And I didn't have either of them up here. I managed to do it quick enough to save enough coolant that I could make it run, but yeah, it's pretty close to empty. Still a touch left in the tank, but I'm a good probably gallons short right now. If you're looking to replace an Alternator Toolcat, be ready for a little work.